Hey everyone, uh, I just kind of help someone else try to fix their game performance. So if your game isn't like loading or it's taking all too long to load, off your frame rate is a little bit lower than you'd like it to be. Here's a few little tips, I guess. So the obvious one being lower your graphics of the game, and if you've already done that, you could jump to this next step, which is going to power and sleep settings, and then go to additional power settings. Set it to high performance. But yeah, if you've got that going for you already, um, you wanna go to this PC. You wanna right click on this PC, go to properties, and then after this is open, go to advanced system settings, and you'll see this right here. You'll see performance. Click on performance. Now go adjust for best performance. All that does is just turn everything here off. And then if for some reason it's not for programs, click programs, and that's really all you gotta do. Yeah, and then you'll see that you gotta click apply here. Just click apply. Your Windows will like do a weird you won't be able to interact with your Windows for a little bit, like 10 seconds, 20 seconds. After that, it'll all come back up, and then like when you try to move your window, it doesn't move with your cursor, just some little box does, and then window just teleports there. If that happens, then you know it's all good. And the last final thing, just make sure you don't have too many applications open and running. You know, if there's something you're not using, you don't need to open, just close it. And believe it or not, that actually makes all the difference. Just only having what you need open. But yeah, uh, and if you guys know what you're doing, you could try to find the user settings for a game that you're having the performance issues with. You can open this up, and I highly recommend that you guys only know what you're doing. So like, if you notice things like allow blur and it's actually set on true, you just do that and it turns off motion blur. Uh, there could be like some render distance, you could change that, like grass density, you could lower that to maybe like 800. Limit FPS, if you want it to go up, we can like bring it up to 120. It's just simple things like that, and there's like a whole lot here that you can do. But yeah, I hope this helps you. If there's anything else you guys need, just let me know, and I'll try to help you. Bye.